So here we have a MARINA grass mower 2021, and if you have issues with 4x4 driving system, maybe this can solve your problem. Let's check. So this is a front wheel with no issues, and we see that this driving system is turning okay with no resistance. And here is the rear wheel. Here we can see a lot of rust, and there is some resistance with turning these gears. So let's check what we can do. So I believe when disassembling this part, we will see that there is a lot of rust behind, and we should clean and lubricate all what is below, and I believe that this should solve the issues about 4x4 driving system. We see that there is some dirt, and I believe that this part wasn't let's say jumping out too softly or with no resistance. So I have cleaned dirt a bit, and this little piece is pushed out by this little spring inside. So let's disassemble it also and clean everything, because here we see that it also is not in, let's say, factory conditions right now. So for lubrication I've used some special copper paste. If you don't have something like this, you can use also some ordinary lubrication pastes, or maybe WD-40 or some special oil. It should also be okay. So let's first put back this little spring, which was cleaned a bit. So yeah, it's inside, and then this little piece. So the next one is the gear, which should be put back, but now I need two hands. So let's check what we have done. Yeah, I'm quite satisfied, because I believe that this is the resistance is way smaller, and I think that this was the issue, why the right wheel has more power on the wheel. Yeah, because the left wasn't turning properly. So I think that we solved something. We will see later when mowing. Yeah, this is how the wheel should turn. So thanks for watching, and bye.